Okay, hello, all. Good morning, Miss Tite. Thank you for the time given to us to present a ma- material, the nature of research method. Before present a material, I'm introduce myself and my friends. My name is Kadangga Putraryadi and my friend.
Okay, my name is Ikoman Riana.
Okay, to shorten the time, we just start the presentation. Okay, the topic is the nature of qualitative research. The first material, the first is definition. Qualitative research is concerned with developing explanation of social phenomena. That is to say, it aims to help us to understand the world in which we live and why things are the way they are. Okay, the next material is aims. Qualitative research is concerned with the social aspect of work and seek to answer question about number one, why people behave the way they do. Number two, how opinions and attitudes are formed. Number three, how how people are affected by the events that go on around them. Number four, how and why cultures have developed in the way they have. And the last is the differences between social groups. Okay, the next material explained by my friends. Andre, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Angga. The next material is characteristics of uh, qualitative research and characteristics of quantitative research. Number one is characteristics of qualitative research. Qualitative research is concurrent with fitting the answer question, which begin with why, how, and in what way. The next characteristics in quantitative research. Quantitative research, on the other hand, is more concrete with questions about how much, how many, how often, and to what extent. The next material. Okay, the next material is further factors. Number one, qualitative research is concerned with the opinions, experiences, and feelings of individuals producing subjective data. Number two, qualitative research describes social phenomena as they occur naturally. Not a time is made to manipulate the situation under study, as is the case with experimental quantitative research. The next, okay, the next material is comparison in quantitative research and qualitative research. Number one, comparison in quantitative research. Number one is explicit is in NOS, a larger sample size. Number three is data is analyzed by mathematical tools. Number four is confirm hypothesis. And the last is close-ended question. Okay, the next is comparison in qualitative research. Number one is explicit in the text. Number 2 is sample size is small. Number 3 is data is interpreted. Number 4 is explore idea. And the last is open-ended question. Okay, this is my material in my presentation. I will turn back moderator. Thank you.
Okay, good job, Andre. Okay, and the last material this is conclusion. Research conclusions are subjective in nature when conducting qualitative research. The researchers might derive conclusion based on in-depth analysis of respondent attitude, reason behind responses, and understanding of psychological motivations. Okay, so that's material from us. If there are wrong words, we apologize. Apologize. Thank you and see you soon. See you soon.